Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to share with y'all some updates that I made to my RV Park Business Plan template for 2024 using artificial intelligence. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, we'll dive into the updates that I made to the RV Park Business Plan template. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the presentation. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate. I am also a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials, and tribulations of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to write the business plan for you. I'm also a business mentor as well as business consultant. So if you need some assistance in understanding your financials, creating financial models, creating or executing your strategic plans, again, just pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to assist in those areas as well. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor as well as subject matter expert for both business and finance. So if your business plan is good to go, however, those financial projections are just locking you up and you just can't get over that hill, again, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to assist on that area as well. All right, enough with this. Let's go ahead and zip through the little presentation. The first update that I made to the RV Park Business Plan template is I added a space for your logo to the title page. So what I did is I went to ChatGPT, asked it to generate just a generic RV park logo, and it generated me a few different options. And this is the option that I like the best. So what I did was I went to the title page, and on the title page, it's going to read RV Park up top. It'll then have your logo here, and then underneath it'll have a say business plan just to set the reader's expectations. So if and when you do purchase the RV Park Business Plan template, what I would do is I would go ahead and remove RV Park and put the name of your company, and then underneath of it you can go ahead and insert your logo or keep the logo that I'm providing to you, and then also keep the business plan, and that's just setting the expectations for the reader as to what this document is going to include. The next or the second update that I made to my RV Park business plan template for 2024 is I spruced up the services section for the RV Park business plan template. And so I did have a section in there just generically explaining some amenities to a typical RV park. And what I did is I took my writing that I had, plugged in into again ChatGPT, and it spruced it up a little bit. I just had to do a couple of edits, but I'm really happy with the generic product that it's come out with. And this is a great starting point for your services that your RV park is going to provide. The last update that I made for the RV Park Business Plan template is that I updated the industry research. As we all know, industry research is a critical component of any business plan, especially for an RV park. So what I did is I do have an account. I have a subscription to IBIS World, and so I access my subscription, their report for campgrounds and RV parks industries. And I went through it. I summarized critical information. I extrapolated it, and I put it into the template. Some of the information that I updated was revenues, profits, profit margins, number of businesses currently in the U.S., the employment numbers, and then also wages. Now, keep in mind, this is all information from my BIS World that they did provide the research, and I do provide them with a footnote for credit showing where the industry research came from. All right. Hopefully, these updates are going to be helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word, and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.